Hi everyone, I'm Hallie. Welcome back to Ledger and Lace. I have a quick share of a journal insert I just did for my friend Betsy. So last year, she gave me an old muslin bag full of lace that she had found in her attic from her mother, grandmother, great-grandmother. And a lot of it's very delicate. There's some tatting here, crochet, lace work. It's just beautiful. So I wanted to make her a journal that incorporated as much as I could with that. And she's very, her mom was very much a Southern belle, so I used this image. This is one of the printing on fabric things that I did, where I printed onto, where is it? And I'll have a link down below, but this is on the Shape Flex. And then I took some tea and went around the edge so that it got a little stained here. And then I just sprayed some matte acrylic spray on there just to set the picture. So, and then I incorporated as much lace as I could. So when I was pulling this out, I noticed that it had these little holes, and I thought, well, you know, they would do that. They would weave ribbon or whatever in through the holes. So I used some embroidery thread. And then when I was going up this one, I realized that whoever did this missed a hole. And I know we can all relate to that, and we've all been there where we think, I don't want to pull this out and go back, or I don't forget the hole. No one's going to notice, right? Until 100 years later when someone's doing a YouTube video and pointing it out. But anyway, so I have this little bit here that comes from this little piece. It's cotton, just so delicate. So I have this and this, and then, and I did a Paperclip. And I didn't have a bee, so I used a bee for Betsy, right? That's one of my wax seals, fake wax seals with the hot glue. And then I took a paint pen and sort of went over it just to give it some dimension. And then there's the back, another lace bit, and it's some floofy there. And then this piece is just, I mean, how amazing is that? So I tacked it down on some muslin, and then it's a pocket. And then the insert part of this, because this is going in her Pride and Prejudice Booksmith tome that I made for her a couple years ago, this is separate, and it'll just fit behind the you can fit the whole thing behind the elastics, or reuse this, or whatever she wants to do with it. But so here's some more lace, and this is just parchment paper, and then I just attached some floofy bits onto the pages so that, you know, it's nice and floofy. And then here's the back pocket, and then there's the back. So I'm getting ready to go meet her for lunch, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!